In this video, we'll go over how to use bucket SKUs for precious metals and how to manage sales and cost balancing within those SKUs. We'll start by pricing a few items. Head over to the Inventory tab and select Wait for Approval. Then click the Jewelry tab and expand the column so you can read full item titles. Here we have some scrap gold, specifically 10 karat and 14 karat, as well as some scrap silver. Let's begin by clicking on the 14 karat scrap gold item. Click the three-line menu in the top right and choose Confirm to move it into active inventory. We'll select the appropriate category, enter a placeholder selling price of $1,400, and click Submit. Now that the item is in active inventory, we're going to assign it to a bucket SKU. But first, we need to create the SKU. Go back to Inventory, select Bucket SKUs, and click Create Bucket SKU. For the title, enter Scrap Gold. Enable it for metals, set the metal type to gold, and choose grams as the unit of measurement. Assign a category, such as metal gold staging jewelry, and enter a description like scrap gold. Click Save. Repeat the process to create a bucket SKU for silver. Title it Silver Scrap. Enable it for metals. Select silver as the metal type. Use grams and save it. We're doing this so we can track and manage our refining inventory more easily. Now let's go back to Inventory. Find the 14 karat scrap gold we just priced and click Add to Bucket SKU. Select scrap gold from the list and click Submit. We also have scrap silver to price and add. Go back to Wait for Approval, find the silver scrap and select it, click Confirm, assign a category, enter a quick price, and hit Submit. Since it's going into a bucket SKU, the selling price isn't as important. The cost is what matters most. Click the three-line menu, select Add to Bucket SKU, and assign it to the silver scrap SKU. Once your gold and silver scrap items are added to their respective bucket SKUs, you can view and manage them. Head to the Bucket SKU tab. You'll now see the total grams and the average cost per gram for each bucket, both for gold and silver. Now, let's walk through a real-world sale and cost balancing example. Click New Sale. Let's say a customer is buying 2 scrap gold rings, one 10 karat and one 14 karat. Click Add Bucket, select Scrap Gold, and enter the total weight, 4.5 grams. The cost from the bucket SKU is $182.25, and the calculated sale price is $222.64. That gives us around $40 profit. But we want to bring down the bucket average cost, so we'll adjust the cost to $200, still making $22.64 profit while helping balance the inventory. She also found a couple of silver pieces, a bracelet and a ring. We'll select Silver Scrap, and the total weight comes to 15 grams. The cost pulled from the SKU is $12.90, and the suggested sale price is $16. We're giving her a flat price of $25 for both items. To help clean up the bucket cost, we'll adjust the recorded cost to $20, still making a $5 profit. Now, we're ready to complete the transaction. Click Add to Transaction, select Cash, enter the full payment amount of $262.50, and click Pay $262.50 to shop. And that's how you create bucket SKUs for precious metals. Add scrap gold and silver to the SKUs. Sell items directly from the SKUs and use cost balancing to keep your inventory values accurate and your profit margins healthy. You're now ready to manage your precious metals with precision using bucket SKUs in PawnOS.